Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how you can create your account on Reddit. Well, to create your account on Reddit, open your search engine and search reddit.com. It will take you to their platform and then click on login/sign up under this ellipsis icon. Here it's your choice to continue using Apple or Google account. Since I want to create my account from scratch, I'm clicking on sign up. Now add your email and then continue. Well, if you want, you can verify your email right away by adding the verification code it has sent you to your email, or you can skip it for now. Well, if you won't verify your email now, you will see the option to verify it under settings. Anyhow, grab your verification code from your emails and add it here, and then click on continue. Here, add your username and password. Remember, the username must be unique, and once you kept it, it won't be changed. Then click on continue. Here, select your gender and then some interests so that Reddit can personalize your experience. Now, your account has just been created, and you can go to your profile and make changes according to your need. And this is how you can create your account on Reddit. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to support by hitting the like and subscribe and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.